Assalamu-Alaykum waRahmatullahi waBarakatuhu. Salaam Alaykum. Peace be upon you. Oh, just logging in. This is hour 6. I gotta put a password to my thing because last time I didn't. It was just no fun. Rather be safe than sound. Anyhow, so welcome to hour 6. I'm gonna actually show the intro on this one because it's been a while. 6 hours. Can you believe you've been watching this? So what? My wife and I, pilot and co-pilot, are going through this adventure. Let's go play Legend of Zelda: Twilight Princess HD. What you guys have missed. Some hours have been more eventful than others. 1 and 2 was. 3 was just the dungeon. 4 and 5, especially hour 5, was very eventful as well too. So if you haven't seen those, see them now. This artwork, I don't really like this artwork of Wolf Link or Link. It looks really sketchy. I don't know why Nintendo went with it. One thing on the other. Alright, let's watch the intro one more time. But this time, unlike hour 1, I will talk during it. I don't like how opponent gallops like that. I mean, Link bouncing up with his hat. And this chorus person. I wish Hyrule looked more green. I wish the thing was more, there was more grass, not just this weird texture. But it's better than Ocarina of Time, that's definitely for sure. Orangish color. Reminds me of the E3 trailer in 2005. Everyone cheered when Link came on horseback. There was this Hyrule's Grand Canyon. I wonder if they can explain that. I actually think the new Zelda Wii U, the new game that's coming out at the end of early 2017, late 2016, is a prequel. I personally think that'll explain the fallen hero. By the way, in this documentary, in this footage, I missed that footage. I absolutely don't like howlingness. Alright, let's get straight into it. That was the intro. You haven't seen it in a little while, so 3 minutes of just half of one documented. The other time I just left my system on. Okay, so where are we again? We gotta go up. First, I want to... I have lantern oil, let me use that. I want some time to pass. Let's go to this part of Hyrule. Let's go exploring a little bit. Not in an absolute hurry to go to the Goron mines in Death Mountain. I wanted to actually use my lantern. There we go. What are those? They look on the map. Whoa, look at this. Daytime. My goal is actually to see. I have an empty bottle. I want to fill it up with long milk or milk. That I keep passing away. We had a showdown last episode, which I had many fails. Sorry guys. Vultures of Hyrule. You see that on the door? Yeah, that's good. Is it daytime yet? Do I see sunrise? Another one of these golden things. A horse? Let's go back. Let's go back to concrete. Vultures. Items out. Really? They took me down to one run? It is dangerous to travel alone. Here, take this. The phone. Let's hear the morning sound. Alright, buddy. What's that? Treasure chest. Look at that. Little horns through there. It's the main thing. It's daytime now. So I was actually waiting for a day to go by. So 7 minutes of exploration, guys. My goal is I got a lot of... Let's just go visually sure. That's him. I can't believe Colin. I mean, a really brave thing for him to do, huh? Especially since he's such a weakling. He is gonna be alright, right? And Malo? He didn't even come close to saying get well soon. What's he thinking? He said he's gonna get started. He hasn't come out of that closed up shop since. Muhammad, could you talk some sense into that kid? First, let's do a little bit of healing. For free. Go to this little shop. See if we can buy it. Wow. I gotta use my lantern oil. Oh! You know what? Just to be different, let's buy that. Take on this unmanned shop. Okay. 200 rupees. No, I need to find 3 more. Hey, should I buy the shield already? I will. Can't believe you can just buy it. But I have a little badge in this. Oops. Oh wow, that's a lot of money. Look at that. It's got 3D textures of the Triforce, that little shape. They explain why that red bird is there. In Skyward Sword. No, I always thought it was a dragon. Okay, I need 3 more rupees so I can buy that red potion. It's music. Okay, let's see what first, let's do the item lantern. Let's put the lantern there. Let's put yeah, you used it all. Now let's put the empty bottle away. Actually, no, let's just refill this bottle. If I need 3 more rupees. Let me go into my inventory. Let's upgrade. Yes, look at this. I'm gonna get the healing shield pretty early. I know maybe you find it later in the game, but I paid for it. So look at that healing shield. So now I can face Gorons, and I don't have to face the threat of my wooden shield burning. So one of the negatives of a wooden shield, obviously. 2 rupees. Can I just break someone's house and break pots? Anyway, unlike other playthroughs, you guys get some cool exploration in this. Oh, those guys. Why are you bumping in trees? Those rapid brakes. Previous other game. Sorry. On the grass. Always going to new places. Well, welcome to a video game world where you can find trees. If you want to grow on trees, awesome. They said in this issue that I should want to handles better. I don't know. I haven't played the original much, so. I'm going to get some red potion because I think is it better than milk? Replenishes 8 hearts. 1 drink of it, and there's 2 drinks. But I won't be doing. Oh, this guy. Alright. Now that I am equipped with the Cillian shield and the red potion, now let's go face the Gorons. First, let's put the potion up here. Second, I don't think we need the lantern here. So, let's see with that. I don't have any things for my slingshot anyway. So, we're facing the Goron mine. Let's go. This place reminds me of, so my wife and I went to Arizona. We went to the American Reserve. Pretty nice! I forgot exactly where. Do you remember where? Alright, ready for adventure. Go pilot. this epic music of the day. Nice to have my healing shield. Oh no, I forgot to put it on. Sorry, I had to try to make this up. It's the R instead of the R. You're right. That's his hands again. Ouch, don't roll. Just hop on and off. Oh! I'm gonna have to drink that red potion already. Well, I have it up by the way. Caution. I didn't have time enough to drink the potion. At least I hope I respawn right there. Is that a game over, is it? Is it a game over? Are you serious? Sorry, guys. Okay. There's after. Next time, no two self drink red potions. That is one giant piece of lava rock. Okay, yes. What? It's only one serving?
You need one will exceed.
Yeah.
Do so committed to that.
Let's get up here. In Ocarina of Time, you had to have red tunic. Do I want to go up there? Just in case you see. There's Wind Waker where you can do the side stuff. So how awesome was it in Majora's Mask when you transform into a Goron? So, what race do you think Goron represents? No! What's that guy? What is wrong with this pesky little human? No, I don't. At least there are an unlimited supply of minions thrown at me. Yeah, that's almost designed. What a challenge. They don't have much footing. That, you know, despite. I guess I drank up my red potion already. What? Look, I've made it to them. What race do you think they represent? Oh gosh, what's gonna happen? I can't survive this. Enough.
They only have rocks on their back.
On their hands too.
Like on
Is
the
this
back.
young one such an imposing enemy that you must all gang up on him? I think not, little brothers. I guess that's the big brother. I am Goron Elder, little human. I'm called Gorkoron. Very creative. Because of certain circumstances, I must lead the Goron tribe in place of Darvis, our tribal patriarch. Why is this a patriarchal society? Why not a matriarchal society? Tell me, little human, do you come from a village but the village below? You have done well to come this far. You are strong for a human. However, the mines beyond here are sacred to my tribe. Outsiders are not allowed, unless... Are they African? I don't even know. Made up race. Smile. Alright, old guy. I could make an exception, but you would have to beat me in a contest of power. Are you willing to try that, little human? You know what? I'm just gonna keep my boots on from the get-go. Actually, do I even get an option to put them on? What do you think is gonna happen? Wrinkly in the top too. Keep your shirt on. Keep it halal. Okay, kept his pants. Okay, there you go. Sword and shield. This looks funny. I gotta work on it. Oh my gosh! And I was just gonna use the button to press it. Your body is skinny, brother. You're too light. You do not stand a chance. Try again, brother. Yeah, proper lies. Retreat is the first option. No, challenge. They got tattoos on their bellies and everywhere else too. And backs. Yeah, the backs are there hair rocks too? I don't even know. Let's go aggressive. This has that technique. I feel like I'm fucking giant hamster. Hey. Okay. If you fail twice, try again a third time. Is supposed to be hair on his belly button? Alright, let's do this. Sumo time! I wonder if there's a good clip art for Link Sumo Wrestling. The Goron. Let's go and go aggressive. His movement technique is... Again. Maybe I'm supposed to use this arrows that helps. Okay, 3 times failure. Hero mode. I always keep regretting hero mode because I'm on... Okay, not gonna work. Shower. Alright, let's go straight for it. See, he's got good technique. I don't have good technique. Other than directions and lines. Oh gosh, he dodged it. Are you okay? Almost. No, I gotta get through this. That's the only way I can pass. I know it can be done. If you at first you don't succeed, or if you're fourth that you don't succeed, try again. Man, those boots are pretty swift. Let's go straight. God, this guy's got let's go, come on, no, so close. No, this technique of us now. My fingers hurting. My thumb hurts. Okay. Maybe I could talk some of these guys into less. Those white ones? I don't know. Okay, everyone's just mean. Alright. I'm going for an even number now. Is this number 6? I don't even know. I don't even know. No, when he moves, I should move too. Maybe I should use that slap feature some more. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm pretty sure you guys aren't entertained. What will this guy say? You're wearing loincloths? do this. I think I have everything I need, right? I got iron boots. Yes! After a lot of dodging, slapping, and playing the technique. Whew. Young warrior, you have strong will and sharp eyes. Fine traits. Want to see how well you can use them. You have seen it. I would bet the mountain erupting without pause. When the mountain began to rage, all four of our elders, Darbus, our patriarch, went inside to investigate its anger. We have treasure that was entrusted to us by the spirits. We must protect it. Do you understand? Ana afham. But the moment Darbus reached out and touched the treasure, everything went wrong. He collapsed and before our very eyes transformed into an unspeakable monster. He began to rage through the mines, trailing ruin behind him, and the eruptions grew more frequent and more severe. We used all of our strength to seal him deep inside the mountain. It grieved us to do this to our patriarch, but we had no other course of action. I ask this favor of you, young warrior. Go to aid Darbus. Make no mistake, the spirits have guided you here. I, Goron, need your help. On behalf of my entire clan, I ask for your aid. Hey. And he tells him, let the young warrior pass. Scoot over, like, scoot that away. The mines are full of traps, all this to protect our treasure from our thieves. And worse than traps, since eruptions began, foul creatures of shapes have settled into every corner of the mines. Getting to the patriarch's location will not be easy. I will prepare your blade, young warrior. The elder has given you permission, so you're welcome to enter. You know what? Let's just go inside. How we doing on time? Halfway through this video? Probably because of my... I don't know if I can do this all in a half hour. But that's okay. I will need assistance. Okay. So let's see. I got 3 hearts. Boots on. First, let's save. Why not? Hour 6, guys. Let's do this. Continue playing, yes. Okay, looking at my map. Where do I go? Are you looking? There's no red tuning. is like Skyward Sword. Gorons are like dwarves. Alright guys, 1 second. My wife is summoning me. Until that, you guys can try to zoom in. Alright, be right back. Okay, back in action. Use that side. How do I get past this? I got up there. Hey, I need help. Go back this thing up again. Did I hit it at end? Okay, that's one way down. I don't know. Strategy guy? Maybe I'll go to the right side this time. I won. It goes the same way. thought it would be, since their mines are full of big money. Jump off. Oh, pleasure. First. Guys, it's too hot. I got burned. Alright, second being over. Don't worry, this might be known as one of the lamest walkthroughs. It's not a walkthrough, it's a playthrough. But I am not really showing you how to do this. Oh my god, Terminator scene right there. Don't do that, guys. Get another game over. You know what? I'm just... Oh, too loud. I just... Scary. That's where I was. So how this build seems to regrow. So, the fairy is magically making you appear here. Be careful on the jumps. Terminator effect. Good thing their fairy will respond to you. Not a good thing that you got only one. That annoying peeping. I wonder if I should just pass away again so I can do stuff. I got the healing shield though, so I'm pretty worried about it. Jump here. Now, this is a little simple jump. You just gotta make sure you're aligned with the edges. Now, I will just slug. It's on the ceiling. Press A, I should have pressed up. Okay, game over. 15 more minutes to go, guys. Hopefully I get somewhere in this. At least help a couple elders get free. Isn't that what they said? You gotta free the elders? It's okay. It took me a while to get to the forest temple too. A lot of exploration. Do you guys get stressed out over this as I do? Let me know in the comments below. hearts left. Slingshots. I ran out of slings. Still seeds. Oh, seriously, these guys. You know what? I'm just gonna go and come fight. Alright, so the flames up. I just move along. Let's look with our eyes. Fire there. Two fire things up there. That's a weird color. Fire attack. Fire rocket. Flamethrower on. Fire. So this has to come down somehow. Parts in here, but I don't know why I bothered to do this. Got it. So I saw that there's an indentation in the ground, so let's. Oh, my weight's not enough. Let's pretend like we're a Goron. Yay! Welcome to way. Magically disappear. So the door opening animation. I wonder if it's more dusty when you open it the first time. Okay. Wifey. I know this playthrough seems mostly for myself. 10 more minutes, let's get something done. I need a second pair of eyes because I'm doing something complicated. This is a complicated room. You can even look at the map. And I really need. I need. Okay, this map is confusing. Oh gosh.
Oh my god.
This feels. Oh, this feels like this shouldn't be a Zelda game. I know, the sound effects. Oh, a key! I don't have a key. Wait. So we're in the Goron mines. I have no idea why. I guess they've said they made a lot of traps. Let's go down this way. I just see you. Yes, monkey! I'm just gonna run past these. Good thing I'm fast. Let's just. Anything else over there I missed? No. Let's just go. I have 1.5 hearts. Oh! Can you help me with the sheep and Zelda amiibo? I guess I'll pause. I wish they had animation for putting the key in there. Apparently these keys, each one's for a particular lock. I got it. I went past the bubble kick things, but I didn't kill him. I don't like the music in this place. Oh, what are these? Say anything? It's not like Navi. Is this a mine? Oh, a volcano.
Is this a mine or a volcano? You need to tell me the Gorons come in and out.
Okay, let me use one of these amiibos. I like this to the screen. Yay, thank you, Zelda. Save it. Guys, I'll still keep going till the time comes. By the way, if you guys have noticed, I do not edit any of my footage. What you guys see is what you guys get. I'm assuming I gotta pull this. I'm assuming that's a wall I gotta run across. Shucks, I can't do that again. Let's do this again. Take two. By the way, there's a very good reason for my life to be Shucks, and I just used my heart. Learning the hard way on a lot of these things. Back into the start of the room. What does that have to do with this? Maybe I should just leave the camera so I don't have to go. Stop dropping. Okay. It's the same thing else.
Very big. What would my punishment be made over time?
Okay. Don't worry, video next one will start right after. I could see the pillars. There we go. Oh gosh, spikes! Phew. Made it through. Oh yeah! Now comes. I remember this part from when my brother played. And I watched. I think that was. So they're iron boots, but they don't just make you heavy because they're iron. They're like grow magnets. That's who knows your physics. Oh gosh, going into the water. No, I gotta just swim down. Just keep in the water. Whoa. Guys, look at this. I'm gonna creativity in this. I'm walking on. Bad creativity points, but I feel like every platformer by now has done this. Okay. Get your old person voice on. First, let's try. Is it the dungeon map? And yes, it is. Hey, you can roll up. It's got an even rolling thingy. Yellow arrow show. That's the map that you guys see me always like. Kind of just. I pull it up on screen so you guys can see it too. So I don't know how dungeon maps and compasses work in this elevator. Let's talk to this guy first. Look at this little guy. He's back on fire. Oh, I thought I felt a presence, but surprised to find a young human. Word has come to me of you, and if Goron has faith in you, then your heart must be true. I am one of the 4 Goron elders. WaRahmatullahi is my name. Moto, like sensei from Ninja Turtle, I don't know. You are a heroic young man. Please, you must let us travel. I got a key shard. Deity made it. This is one of the key shards that merged together to start with. Matriarch, 3 people. Yeah, we get it. Let's see what else is here. Is this where they live, the elders? Not bad. Nothing up here? Why did I come up here? Oh, Oku. You know what? I can take advantage of this. Oh, if you guys missed it last time, here's what Oku does. I'm just gonna skip through it real fast. Basically, it's this weird little bird thing that gets you in and out of temples. Alrighty, guys, I will pause right here and just go through that door. And then pause. It is complicated, but you know what? We got this. So, if you haven't already, I know you guys haven't, but share this video or share the series. Tell you what, go to my channel, look at the playlist, share the whole playlist from the opening to. Oh, by the way, I made a playlist. There's an amiibo collection in there as well too. So you know, watch this weekend, share this with other people, and join the journey. Salaam Alaykum, peace be upon you. Hope you guys like my channel.